Hello friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. So in this video we will discuss about quality index journal and rapid publication journal in the different fields like computer science, pharmacy and many more field. And most important thing about this journal, your research paper will get published maximum 3 months, within 3 months, and most probably you will get the notification within 15 days to 20 days, and your research paper will get published within maximum 1 to 3 months. So and essay index journal and Scopus index journal in the different field. So first journal category, Elsevier category, very renowned popular journal to publish your manuscript and article in this journal. Journal title name is Telematics and Informatics, an interdisciplinary journal on the social impacts of new technology. So as its name indicating, this journal related to the interdisciplinary field. So many more researchers can publish their research paper in this quality index journal. Most important thing about this journal, you will get the notification about your manuscript and article within 20 days. So आपको 20 डेज के अंदर रिसर्च पेपर का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा अबाउट वेदर दिस योर रिसर्च पेपर और रिसर्च आर्टिकल एक्सेप्टेड और नॉट और एनी changes required. So this is really very helpful to all of you. So very quickly notification and quick publication journal. So in this journal, total time required to publish your article 12 weeks. So within 3 weeks your research paper will, you will get the notification, and after that 9 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required for this journal 12 weeks. So within 3 months के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर इस क्वालिटी इंडेक्स जर्नल में पब्लिश हो जाएगा. And one more important thing, the general acceptance rate of this journal is 9%, and this journal related to the interdisciplinary like the computer science researchers and electronics, electrical and telecommunication researchers can publish their research papers. So this section is especially related to the general introduction and what types of the topic covered by this journal. So कौन से ऐसे वो टॉपिक्स है जिसमें आप अपना रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश कर सकते, तो all the information you will get in this particular section. So explore this section very carefully, because here you will get all the type of the information related to the subject and topic. So read out this section very carefully. If your research area falls under this topics and title, then you have to submit your research paper for this quick publication journal. Now focus on abstract and indexing. So just click on the left hand side tab, abstract and indexing. So this journal related to the Scopus index journal and social science citation index. So essay index journal and Scopus index journal and also many more indexing. Now if you want to submit, so use this tab, submit your research paper. So it will redirect it to the submission page. So here you will get submit your research paper. And if you are new for this particular journal, so you have to register yourself. So just fill your credential in the sign up form. So it will create your login ID and password. So after that you can submit your research paper. And if you want to make a research paper and manuscript according to the guidelines, so here this section will reflect to the all the guidelines. So आपको सारी guidelines यहाँ मिल जाएंगी guide for author section में. So accordingly we can publish our research paper in this quality index journal. Next category is the simulation, modeling, practice and theory. So this journal also very good journal, and also many more researchers can publish their researchers. So वो कौन से वो ऐसे researchers जो अपना research paper इसमें publish कर सकते हैं. So if your research area comes under the category hardware and hardware architecture, software and modeling and simulation, so you can publish your research paper in this quality index journal. Most important thing about this journal, within 2 weeks you will get the notification about the acceptance of this journal. So within 15 days, around 15 days, you will get the notification whether your manuscript is accepted or not, or any changes. And after that 6 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required from submission to publication 8 weeks. So within 2 months, within 2 months your research paper will get published in this quality index journal. So explore this journal if your research area comes under this category. So explore. So this journal site score is 5.3 and impact factor 2.219. So this is also very good impact factor and also site score. So if you want to know about this journal more in detail, so topics, aim and scope, just click on this section. It will be redirected to the aim and scope, so you can know about this particular aim and scope. So like these topics are, if your research area comes under these types of the topics and aim and scope, then you can submit your research paper in this journal. Now if you want to know about the indexing, so whether this journal related to the Scopus, SCI index, so all the information you will get here. So like you can see here, Scopus index journal and SCI index journal and many more indexing. So this is how we can submit our research paper in this quality index journal. And most important thing about this journal, the journal acceptance rate of this journal 10%. so acceptance is 10%. so this journal also require the original content, so definitely it will be weightage you, and really very helpful to publish your research paper. So and how we will publish our research paper, so guide for authors. So here you will get all the instruction and guidelines to publish, to prepare and create your manuscript as per the guidelines. So follow these guidelines, and after that you have to submit your research paper for the publication. Next category is the computers in industry. So this journal is also very quick publication journal. So most important thing about this journal, the journal acceptance rate is 12% and you will get notification within 3 weeks. So around 20 days के अंदर आपको रिसर्च का पेपर का अपना acceptance मिल जाएगा, and after that within 4 weeks your research paper will get published. So within 2 months your research paper will get published in this quality index journal. And more about this journal, impact factor is the 3.9, site score is 10, and what types of the topics covered by this journal, so you can explore and you can just explore this section. Here you will get all the information related to the topics, titles, एंड वो कौन कौन से ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जिसमें हम अपना रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश कर सकते हैं. सो इफ़ योर रिसर्च एरिया कम्स अंडर दिस टॉपिक्स एंड टाइटल्स, सो देन यू कैन submit your research paper for the publication in quality index journal. So here you will get journal matrices, and if you explore more, so this section will reflect to the recent article, most cited article. And if you want to download journal, or if you want to download research paper, so you can download through this section. Now about the indexing, just click on the abstract indexing tab, so it will be redirected to the abstract indexing. So this journal also related to the SCM and also Science Citation Index. You can see here SCI Index journal also, and Scopus Index journal, and also many more indexing. So this is how we can submit our research paper, and we can prepare our research paper and article to this journal. Now next category of the journal of Pharmaceutical and Biomedical analysis. So most important thing about this journal acceptance rate is 23%, and you will get notification within 4 weeks. So around within 1 month you will get notification about this research paper and manuscript, and after that 3 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required from submission to publication 7 weeks. So most probably your research paper will get published within 2 months. So this is how really very quick publication journal in the category of the Elsevier and the pharmaceutical science subject, and also biomedical science subject. So what types of the topics covered by this journal? So this section will have the information about the titles and topics. So if your research area comes under this particular topics and title, you can submit your research paper for this quick publication journal. Now focus on abstract and indexing. So just click on abstracting parts. So whether this journal related to Scopus, SCI index journal, PubMed. So this journal related to the Scopus index journal, and also PubMeds, and many more indexing you can see here. So this is how we can submit, and we can know about this particular journal authenticity. And if you want to know about the open access option, so this tab will provide the information about the publication charges. So it's up to you, ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा कि कौन सा आप मोड चूज करने वाले हैं, ग्रीन ओपन एक्सेस कैटेगरीज और रेड ओपन एक्सेस कैटेगरी. इट्स अप टू यू. Now how we will prepare our research paper? So guide for authors, so all the guideline you will have here. Now next category of the journal, computer method and program in biomedicine. So this journal will really very quick publication journal. So about this journal, most important thing to know, first one, acceptance rate of this journal 22%. So the probability of your research papers acceptance is high because journal acceptance rate is 22%, and you will get notification within 5 weeks. So near about within 1 month your research paper notification about the acceptance, rejection or minor changes you will get within 1 month around, and after that 7 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required for this journal is 12 weeks. So within 3 months your research paper will get published in this quality index journal. एंड व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ द रिसर्च है, वो कौन कौन से रिसर्चर्स हैं जो इसमें बट क्विक पब्लिकेशन रिसर्च जर्नल में पब्लिश कर सकते हैं. सो हियर यू विल गेट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन, read more sections. So this section will cover all the information. So if you are related computer researcher, software researcher, or as a biomedical sciences, and so these type of researcher can submit their research paper in this particular journal. So all the topics and titles are given here. So if your research area comes under this particular titles and topic, then you can submit your research paper for the publication. Now focus on abstract and indexing. So this section will provide the indexing categories and abstracting. So as we always refer to the Scopus, SCI, PubMed, all you can see here really very rich indexing of this journal. So Scopus, this journal related to the Scopus index journal, SCI index journal, biomedical engineering, also PubMed, and many more indexes. So I suggest to all of you explore this journal if your research area comes under this particular category. And how we will prepare our research paper, so you will get in this section guide for authors. So all the guidelines you will get here. So accordingly we can prepare our research paper according to the guideline, and after that you have to submit your research paper through submit your paper. This section will provide the submission page. So accordingly we can publish our research paper. Now next, Elsevier journal category, expert system with applications. So really this journal very helpful and in the publication of the computer science researcher. So most important thing about the journal acceptance rate is 13%, and you will get notification within 5 weeks. So near about you will 1 month you will get the notification whether your research paper and article accepted or not. So very quickly publication, and after that 2 weeks are required to publish online. So total time required in this journal from submission to publication 7 weeks. So near about 2 months are required to submit to publish your research paper in this quality index journal. So if you will go about the impact factor, you can see this journal impact factor 5.4 and site score 11. Really very good impact factor and site score. If you want to explore about this journal more in detail, so this section will cover all the topics and title. So accordingly you can submit your research paper in this quality index journal. So this journal related to the management, computer science, software, electrical. So if your research area comes under this category, then you can submit your research paper for this quick publication journal. Now focus on abstract indexing part. So this section will cover about the indexing. So you can see here this journal related to the SCI index, Scopus index journal, and SCI index journal, and many more indexing. So these are the all the important information to publish your research paper in this quality index journal. So if you want to submit your research paper, use this tab, and if you want to prepare your manuscript, so use guide for author. So थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, आपकी रिसर्च में सपोर्टिव लगा हो, प्लीज़ हिट ऑन द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड आल्सो डू लाइक and also help your friends by sharing this channel and this video. Thank you friends.